to see. Next question is, a pendulum bob of mass 50 gram is suspended from the ceiling of an elevator. Okay, a pendulum bob is suspended from the ceiling of an elevator. So suppose we have an elevator like this, and from the ceiling we have a pendulum bob hanging. Find the tension in the string if the elevator goes up with acceleration 1.2 meter per second square. Okay, so we will first solve part A. So what is part A? So part A is elevator is going up. So if elevator is going up, what does it mean? It means that pseudo force will act down. So mg down, pseudo force will be m a naught down, and then tension up. Okay, so mg down and m a naught down and tension up, and the object is not moving inside the lift. So this is in lift, from lift frame, from elevator frame. These things are written from elevator frame. So all these three forces will be balanced. So how much we can write? We can write T upward equal to mg plus ma naught downward. Because lift is going upward, so we have written downward pseudo force. This is pseudo force. Okay, so what will be tension? Tension will be what? Mg. So m is 50 gram, and g plus a. So g is 9.8 plus 1.2. Okay, so how much we are getting? So it is 11 into 50, 11 into 50 gram. So that will be, it is in gram, so we have to write 50 into 11 by 1000. Okay, so it will be 0.55 Newton. This is one thing. Then for B, if you see for B, goes up with deceleration. So if it is going up with deceleration, that is equivalent to downward acceleration. So mg will be there, tension will be there. Okay, for part B. But since it is going up with deceleration, that is equivalent to downward acceleration. So pseudo force will be just opposite to it. So it will be m a naught, like this. This is a pseudo force. Now we can write T plus m a naught equal to mg. So T is how much? T is mg minus m a naught. So if you solve it, it is 50 by 1000. G is 9.8 minus 1.2. How much we are getting? This is 9.6, 8.6. So 8.6 and half of 8.6. So it will be 4.3. So it will be 0.43 Newton. So this is the tension now in second case. And in second case, what is happening? The lift is going up, but it is decelerating. Means you can imagine a situation when the lift is going up and it is about to stop. So in that case also, we feel light and the tension in the string will become less. So that is the thing which is happening. Now, if you see C number, in C number, it says goes up with uniform velocity. For uniform velocity, there is no acceleration. There is no acceleration means no pseudo force. C is uniform velocity. So mg will be equal to tension. So T equal to mg. So how much it will be? M is 50 by 1000. G is 9.8. So this will be equal to, that is 9.8. So 9.8. So it will be 4.9, 0.49. Okay. So 0.49 Newton we are getting. Similarly for D part. For D part, if you see, for part D, goes down with acceleration. So goes down with acceleration means what? Mg is there, down with acceleration. So the pseudo force will be just opposite to this. The pseudo force will be like this, m a naught, and T will be upward. T is upward and pseudo force is m a naught upward. So T plus m a naught equal to mg. So T was mg minus m a naught. Okay, so we are going to get the same result as this one. So we are going to get 0.43 Newton. Oh, if it means if the lift starts going downward with some acceleration, then also the string will become little bit lighter. The string will feel the lesser force, lesser tensile force. Now we will see part E. Suppose I am doing part E here. Part E. So in part E, it says goes down with deceleration. So goes down with deceleration means that is equivalent to upward acceleration. Goes down with deceleration means that is equivalent to upward acceleration. And if acceleration is upward, then pseudo force will act downward. And tension is upward. So what we can write is, since there is no motion, so tension is balanced with ma0 plus mg. So this will be equal to 0.55 Newton. Okay, if lift is going downward and it is trying to stop, if it is coming down and it is trying to stop, means it is decelerating in downward direction, then we will have this kind of situation. Downward deceleration, that is equivalent to upward acceleration. And upward acceleration means what? The pseudo force will be just in downward direction. So we have written this pseudo force. Similarly, F has uniform velocity, so nothing, no pseudo force. So T will be equal to mg, that is 0.49 Newton. Okay, so in this way we can solve.